Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove CapCut watermark and template. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm gonna open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a video using CapCut template. So I'm going to go to the templates menu, and I'm just going to pick a random template from the CapCut template. And for instance, I'm going to choose this one guys. I'm going to replace the photo in this template with my own photo. So I'm going to click on use template. Okay, and here we need to replace the photo with our own photo. And since we need to add a lot of photos, I'm just going to pick random photos from my gallery. I'm gonna go to the pins folder, and I'm just going to pick random photo like this. Oops. Okay, and the photos have been selected, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can remove the CapCut watermark from this template. The CapCut watermark usually will appear right here on the top right of the screen. This is how the watermark looks like, and I'm going to show you how we can remove it. Before we export our video, we can replace the photo right here. In case you put wrong photo to the template, you'll be able to crop your photo as well, and then put filter to your photo, and you'll be able to replace the audio if you want. Just go to the audio, and then you can select the audio that you like. Okay, and once you're ready to export it, you just need to go to the export menu, and then you can choose the resolution for your video right here. I'm just going to select this resolution, click on done, and then select export without watermark. And the CapCut watermark will be removed from your video. Okay, now it's done guys. Now the video is ready to share, and I'm going to show you how the video looks like. Oops, okay, and as you can see that there is no CapCut watermark right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove CapCut watermark from template. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.